This pair is right by Anderson State Marsh, right at the outskirts of Clear Lake. And they are osprey, in case you don't recognize them. And we're right by the water. And that is about as good as it gets. So, we'll let this happy couple alone. Up in their tall breeze, I like the little birds that live in their actual nest. And call them. Damselfly. My yard is full of these little damselflies right now. On every flower. You see them there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All sitting and jockeying for position. And when I turn the sprinklers on, I get the big red dragonflies swirling around and around. Pretty lucky. Little blue and gray things adorning all of my bushes. I talk to a skunk. Skunk, wait! 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 Don't go! They're really cute creatures. Have you ever seen one up close? Skunk! Skunk! You ran right past your hole, dude. That was it. We got him all freaked out. You ran right by it again. Hey! Skunk! They're like porcupines or something. They're not really out to get you. Dude! There he goes. Whoop! It's really late in the season to have young chicks up there. Unless that's mama shading them. Her wings are out, but sometimes they catch wind like that to cool down, I think. It's hard to tell. But they came, they paired up, and they tried to do another circle of life. I've seen them like this on the backside of Shasta before. That's quite a few for one spot. Each one of these trees. Each one of these trees. Each one of these trees has a couple in it. It's a windy day. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 all in total that I can see, but there was a couple more. And you can see their habitat is really nice. This is where the ospreys and the bald eagles and stuff that I've filmed before hang out. But that's what struck me as I was driving along, was the big white birds all flying along. And this is a lake we're kind of up in the little valleys along the ridges of a mountain range. So this might be a meet-up spot where they consolidate before they go somewhere else. You can see now they're leaving where I spotted them and all moving a little ways down that direction. And that's entering what is called Lake County because there are so many lakes, and there always have been. So we are on a migratory corridor. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Little oasis. I love seeing birds.